Here at Mercedes-Benz Southwest, we are always sourcing ways to make the ownership of your vehicle as convenient and stress-free as possible, which is why we've teamed up with Bumper. Bumper provides interest-free, flexible payment options to help you spread the cost of any unexpected repairs without affecting your credit rating. So whether you've received an invoice for your MOT, tyres, brake discs and pads, or even your suspension, we've got you covered. It can also cover the cost of accessories and parts, so keeping your vehicle in tip-top condition has never been easier. Bumper can provide payment options of 3, 6 or 9 instalments, up to the value of £5,000, ensuring that we can provide an affordable way to help you maintain the condition and safety of your vehicle. These flexible payment options will vary depending on your bill amount, personal circumstance and also your credit rating, but naturally one of our specialist service team managers will discuss these options with you once you apply online. You're available to use Bumper at any of our Southwest dealerships, including Exeter, Taunton, Plymouth and Truro, which works perfectly with our monthly service plan, which already is designed to help you spread the cost of your annual servicing. Simply visit our Mercedes-Benz Southwest website, or you're welcome to contact one of our service teams to apply now.